Hey everyone, welcome to TradinginDemand. Today, just gonna go over some simple stuff, some simple things that we saw in the market, talk about some stuff that I'm trying to improve on myself, my psychology, my trading habits, and just hope you guys gain some knowledge and some information that you might not have known before this video. So, first, I'm going to show you guys my Discord. My journal, post my morning plans, commentary, analysis, and whatnot. This is what I posted from today. As you can see, it was rough. It was not the best. Many things I could improve on, and I'm just gonna go over in this video with you guys because I feel like transparency is what helps you grow as a trader, and it's what helps me best. So we're gonna jump right into it. Show my morning plan. This morning around 7:30, we had the GDP and jobless claims get dropped. I don't put too much significance on these because I focus on price action, but it's just nice to know when they're happening and what it could occur. And I did want to take a short, possibly at 40.22, if sellers showed a reaction at the 45-minute zone right here. And you can see we were immediately just blown through, was not very clean right here. And for me to take a short after we have blown through supply, where's my thing? And we have not, let me get this going, boop. And as I said, if I go a little lower, I want to keep an eye out for the short-term trend line. If it is broken, a short at low volume node is less likely and a possible indicating shift in the market. The shift in the market part wasn't really true, but it was likely that if we broke above this, we'd invalidate supply. There was no reason to short this. No reason at all. Why did I do it? I was trying to follow my auction market theory plan, short above very high, long below very low. But I need to learn that's not always the case. You need to trade when it's high quality, when the trade makes sense. This made no sense. I had no confirmation really. Why did I do it? I don't know. I'm going to try to learn better and do better. Delete this out of the way. So, let's go in here. We did form on here a 30-minute supply zone at today's highs, kind of similar to yesterday. And it could show that sellers are showing that acceptance of this price range. I'll show you guys out on the weekly profile. And we did have sellers occur right here around this 40.32 level right here. We got this level from over here. We had an untested value area high right here, 40.32. And these untested value area highs can easily act as a magnet, or in this case, it acted as a magnet. And then when we reached it, we showed that price wants to stay in this range, and it showed as resistance. It also, I'm gonna move this higher, was a low volume node on the yearly profile and on the daily profile from Wednesday. So this is where I'm going to look to short if we'd move back into it. We do have this one here, which could be used again. Not completely sure. Just gonna have to keep my eyes open. And with this 30-minute zone forming, it could be more likely that this could happen. Bring this back over here. And with the acceptance of prices I was talking about, you can see over here on the this is a weekly profile. This is a yearly. We are in between. This is where 68% of the volume has occurred for the week. Same up here. This is just daily. 68%, 68%. You can have a 70, whatever you want. I like 68. So as we move above, we find sellers and they move it back to the fair price. As we move below, we find buyers and they move back to fair price. The market moves from fair price, from imbalance to balance. This is balance. Up here is imbalance. So as the market is found where it's comfortable, where it wants to be for the moment, every time we move out of that range, we're going to find some type of buyers or sellers. These are the areas where you want to look to take a trade, take a short, as you can see here. And this is something I would like to look more into, start using more into my trading. instead of focusing on supply and demand, more of these profiles, more of the going from fair value to unfair value and whatnot. And you can see we also did move down here. This was not, we didn't just find buyers because we moved out of value. We also found buyers because we're testing a key level, 4,000. This 4,000 is a psychological level. It has shown to be very decisive whenever we move around it. And we also had on the daily, you can see, what is this? You can see we had a zone, we had this level that is keep showing a trend as we move higher, and we have finally gave it a third touch and we found support. With that, move this. You can see the market is still looking pretty weak. If this zone, this level I mean, could hold, then we're most likely just going to move up here, and I would like to see us come up here and touch 40.88, 40.41, around here. If we can reach here, this is where I want to short, really. We could have this act like a magnet, but I don't believe so. That seems a little too much to ask for in this market at the moment. But I do believe a move into this weekly extreme. You can see right here, been tested, it's been used as support once, twice, and then right here, it kind of was used support as again. Yeah, it's a very significant level in my point, and I use these daily ones to kind of find a key level, kind of find a more important zone, so we can keep our risk lower. So I think a move up to here would be likely if buyers can keep holding the market up. With all that out of the way, I really don't have too much to go about. I just want to say I need to keep improving on my trading. I need to start trusting myself, because if I trusted myself, a loss here would not have happened. And also, another rule I want to implement is just not trading for the first hour, 30, 15 minutes in the market, just because, as you can see, this is where the most amount of volume occurs usually. And there's just no reason to get caught up in this chop when I can let the market develop and then take analysis off that. So that's just something I'm going to start working on. I'm going to start doing to hopefully improve on myself. And going into tomorrow, we don't really have anything too significant at the moment. I will make a morning plan tomorrow. But I just hope everyone enjoyed the video. Maybe learn something new. If you guys have anything you guys want to let me know about, please leave it in the comments. I'm always open to negative or positive feedback. Also, before I end the video, I'm looking at my notes and I just realized as we move below this 4,000 level around here, we had sellers come in that were late, and this could have also, with the trend line, with being out of value, could have been a short squeeze to push higher, which when we have a short squeeze, it's not always sustained and we could move lower. But that's just something I was reading off my notes. Like I said, I hope everyone learned something new. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a great day.